Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So we're getting ready to do our morning calendar, and this is also for the students that's at home, doing it virtually. I hope y'all can see me. I'm trying to maneuver this. Okay, so we're doing our calendar. This is something that we do every day. So what month are we in?
September.
So we're in the month of September. How do we spell September?
S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R.
So September. September is also a proper noun. Therefore, it's going to always be capitalized. So, can someone tell me what today's date is? What is today's date? No, that's the year we're in. So the date is going to be the 29th. A 2 and a 9. Can you circle that on your book? I'm writing mine, but you're going to circle yours. You have it, Kevin? Thank you. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you all to circle September in your book. September should have an apple by it. Can you find the one with the apple? And can you circle it? Hurry. Have a seat, please. Can you circle it? For my ones, you're writing it in the book. Your paragraph is on the wall. It's on the board. So, we're in the month of September. The date is the 29th. We already know that the year is 2020. You're going to circle it in your book. You're going to circle it. 2020. You're going to circle it. 29. The number 29, I'm not ready to get to that yet, so we're going to skip that part. So let's go to the next one. So, the weather today is what? Flip your page. Flip your page. Where's your calendar? Get it out, please. So, flip your page. The weather today is what? Can you look outside and tell me what the weather is?
Sunny.
Is it sunny?
Yes.
It wasn't like that when we came to school. So it's sunny?
It's summer.
So the weather is what?
Sunny.
It's sunny?
Yes.
Well, yeah, yes it is. It's sunny now. So we can go with sunny. So sunny, can you circle sunny on yours?
Yes.
And look how I circle mine. I do an open circle, and I come right back to where I started. I don't circle it any kind of way. Sunny should be the first one on your sunny. Did you circle it?
Yes.
Did you circle it, Kennedy? Use your words. Yes? Yes? Yes. Thank you. So now, the season is what? What is the season? Is it summer, spring, winter, or fall? What's the season?
Fall.
Fall. Good job. Fall. We're going to circle fall. How do you spell fall?
I know.
F.
F-A-L-L.
All right, for my students at home, make sure you circle fall because we're just in fall. I think fall started September the 22nd, so we're going to be in fall for a minute. So we're in fall. Y'all have it? Yes? Let's go to the next one. So now, what is the temperature outside? Is it cold? Is it cool? Is it warm or is it hot? I see the trees are kind of blowing a little bit. What's the temperature? What is it?
I got
Is
cold.
it hot? Is it hot to you?
I got cold. I got cold.
Harvey, what's the temperature outside?
It's cold.
It's cold? Is it cold?
Yes.
I don't think it's that cold outside.
Yes.
So it was kind of cool this morning because you did have to put on a jacket. So we're going to go with cool today, okay? Cool. How do we spell cool? C-O-O-L. Cool. Look at my open circle, how I came back to it. Did you circle it? Did you circle it in your book? Cool. Good job. So, Kennedy, what kind of clothes can we wear today? What kind of clothes? What kind of clothes can we wear? A jacket, okay. It was cool. I did see some students come in this morning with a jacket. Not Miss Alexis, but some students did. Kevin, what else can we wear today? A shirt? Good job. Autumn, what else can we wear today? What else? What else can we wear today? Kevin told us shirt. What else can we wear today? Harry, what else can we wear today? You said shirt. Pants? We can wear pants. Yes. What else can we wear? I want y'all to see how neat I'm doing my circle. I want you to see how neat I'm doing my circle. So, what else can we wear? Kennedy, God bless you. What else can we wear? Aiden, what else can we wear today? What else can we wear? I need to have a seat. You can just tell me, what else can we wear? Daniel, what else can we wear today? Shorts? Good job. Shorts. We can wear shorts today. So today we could pretty much wear all of these because I did see some kids with sweaters on. I saw some with jackets on. So it all depends on what the weather is to you. Okay? So now, what was yesterday? What was yesterday? What day was it yesterday? Was it Sunday?
No.
No. What was yesterday? What was yesterday?
I am, how old am I?
Monday.
Yesterday was Monday. Thank you, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. It's not the only one in the classroom. Yesterday was Monday. Monday. How do we spell Monday? It's a proper noun. Monday.
I know.
It specifies what day it is. Monday.
Monday. I know.
How do you spell it, Kennedy? You have to speak up. I can't hear you. I heard the M.
I know.
Good job. So if yesterday was Monday, what is today? Autumn, what is today? If yesterday was Monday.
Yep.
Monday. If yesterday was Monday, what is today?
Monday. Saturday.
No. If yesterday, if yesterday was Monday, what is today? Today is what? Kennedy, can you tell me what today is? If yesterday was Monday, what comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. You have it, Kennedy? For my students at home, you should have Circle Tuesday. You should have Circle Tuesday. And the only reason why I don't have my mask on is because I want you all to be able to understand what it is that I'm saying. So, if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, what is tomorrow going to be? What is tomorrow? So if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, what is tomorrow going to be?
Wednesday.
Hump day. Wednesday. Y'all know Miss B always tell us Wednesday is hump day. Hump day, right? So we're going to circle Wednesday. Look at my circle. Look how I started. And I come back to where I opened it up at. And I try to do it as neat as possible. Let's work on our fine motor skills. So tomorrow is hump day. Wednesday. Wednesday. Some people call it Wacky Wednesday. Wednesday. So for my kids at home, you should have circled. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. But tomorrow will be Wednesday. Another proper noun that has a capital letter. So, the days we've been in school. Kindergarten. And I always need Miss B to help me out with this. Kindergarten has been in school 29 days. 2 and a 9. Let me do this again. A 2 and a 9. Kindergarten. That's only for my children that's in kindergarten. A 2. 2
Right there.
and a 9. We put a circle,
Right there.
and then we bring a line down. A 2 and a 9. 29 days. For my other students,
Come on, Jeremy.
1st through 4th, you've been in school 34 days.
3, 4.
A 3 and a 4. 34. 3 and a 4. So you should have that. 3 and a 4. Good job. Good job. Kevin, how many days you been in school? You've been in school 29 days. 29. And then on your paper, in your notebook, you actually have to trace the days. So make sure you trace your days. A 3 and a 4. Hurry, have a seat, please. Y'all ready for me? Y'all ready to move on? I've been in school 34 days. A 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 4, 4. Yeah, right here. Next to 3. So for my students at home, you all have been in school 29 days. And for the rest of us, we've been in school 34 days because you all started 5 days after us. So now, our classroom piggy bank. How many people do we have in our class? We're going to write 11. 11, 1, 1. 1, 1. I want to see it done neatly. Let me do this again. Because Miss Alexis didn't do this. Pay attention, erase it, Kevin. I didn't do that. That's not what I did. I stayed within my box. I stayed within my box.
3 minutes.
Take your time. You don't have to rush it.
Oh, yes.
Take your time.
Yes.
From the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. 11. So this is the part that I wanted to get to. Today is an odd day. And I want to explain how we know that it's an odd day and not an even day. So I'm going to come here. I have, can y'all count with me? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
I have 29 triangles. Because today is the 29th day of September. So I want you all to know how to tell if a number is an even number or an odd number. So how do you tell this? Well, I did it purposely in an array. So if I can take and have 4 triangles evenly, meaning evenly, and I'm circling them so you can see, there's a problem. We have one left over. So that lets me know that today is an odd day because they all don't go evenly. So for my older kids, if you have 29, for Adrian and Daniel, if you had 29, and let's just say you divide it by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 goes into 9 4 times. That's an 8. I have 1. That means there's a remainder of 1. That means that that's an odd number because it does not go in it evenly. That means everybody can't get an even share. That's how I know that it's an odd number. It does not go evenly. See how I have my 4 triangles going down? But I have one little one right here by itself.